Mr. Burns, good morning. Mr. Scotty, good morning.
Everybody.
What you doing? What you blowing? Oh, you got Adam's steel rail. Very nice.
And I promised him we would take the time to
Clean everything.
clean
Make it
everything really,
super
really good.
nice.
So everything's getting sprayed, cleaned, inside out.
Yeah, you see perfection. Very nice. All right. Let's see what you got going in here. Ooh. All right.
We got very lucky, I think, with the way a lot of the design is for that engine.
Mm-hmm.
The fuel system and the rail.
Yes.
You're supposed to pull basically the front of the engine off to get this front fuel rail out. And I went, sorry, I'm not doing that. There's got to be a way to do it without doing that.
Yes.
Because that's going to put this bill through the roof.
Yes.
So I started looking and went, yep, I can do it. So it's off without having to pull the front of the engine out.
That's good.
So now get this thing cleaned up.
Yeah. So you get that cleaned up. He's gonna get the other side out. We're gonna start getting ready to do the injectors. You make everything nice and
But
pretty.
that's the key to this.
Cleanliness.
You have to take the fuel rail out first,
Yes.
then pull the injectors.
Yes.
So, and I didn't catch it right away. I'm like, oh, now that I know that trick, this is gonna go back in a couple of minutes.
Scotty is a trick.
But I'm not a one-trick pony. There's lots of tricks still left in me.
That's not what I heard.
You've been in a lot of tricks.
Yes, I have.
Hey ho.
Whoop, whoop.
All right, and with that,
That's a big ass hose.
Isn't it?
Why?
we're gonna let Scotty carry on.
Because Scotty's making money.
Good. And we'll check back in a little bit.